2009 Toyota Corolla brake light and blinker bulb replacement. So this one's working. My top one is working up there, but then if you come over here, it's not working. It's the one on the outside. It's this one right here. So what you want to do is you want to pop your hood, and then that'll give us access to the inside here. Now you're going to come over here and pull this carpet fabric down. It's behind here where we're trying to go. We're going to get these clips out. The best thing to use is a clip tool. I'll put a link to the description for one of these, but you could use like pliers or, you know, whatever you got. You just pull these out. A lot of times they break, so don't beat yourself up if they break on you, especially at this age. Just go and pull these out here. All right, see, that one broke clean off. That's just how it goes sometimes. So, but once you get them off, you want to pull this fabric down. Here's your light bulb sockets. Now, the outer brake light one is this brown one. You're going to twist it to the left towards the outside of the vehicle to unlock it, and then you're going to pull it straight backwards like that. And then there's our bulb right there. I don't know if you could tell, but it's a little burnt. The little part inside burnt out. And here's my new one. That's what it looks like. Links in the description for these bulbs, by the way. So you'll take your new bulb. You'll just put it in place, and hopefully your socket's not burnt or nothing. It looks good. And then make sure it's in there pretty good. Don't smash the bulb and cut your fingers up, though. You gotta be gentle but tough. So get this in here, rotate it until it kind of goes into place, and then you're going to turn it right to lock the socket. After it's locked, it shouldn't be jiggling or moving at all. And then here's the blinker right here. What you're going to do is twist it to the left towards the outside of the vehicle to unlock it, and you'll pull it out. And then same thing here. Pull this out. It could be kind of tough. I had to use two hands off camera to get it out. This is looks like a 3156. And then I'll put links in the description, so check that for the bulbs. You'll put your new bulb in, push it in place. Again, you have to make sure it's lined up perfectly, and sometimes they could be stubborn, so if it's being stubborn, just kind of take it out, rotate it, and then try it in the other way. After the bulb's in the socket, we're going to turn the socket to the right to lock it into place. It shouldn't be moving at all. And that's it, guys. That's how you do your blinker. Put your fabric back up, put your clips back in, and that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Please put any additional information in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you could show me some love in the subscribing, that'd be great. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. About this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.